How do I collect the money I was awarded when he's been awarded to pay weekly payments but hasn't? I've already gone for contempt and won. Hi, Rafe Palmer, STG Divorce Law. I'm a Chicago divorce attorney and I answer your divorce questions on this page. Like, follow, share for more. Great links in my bio, including a link to my best-selling divorce book, I Just Want This Done. Answering your questions, this one, how do I collect money when the person's been ordered to pay, they haven't paid, already got a victory on a contempt decision? Without looking at your specific case and knowing your specific jurisdiction, and I really can only address Illinois, we really only have a couple tricks in the bag in Illinois. One is a petition for rule to show cause, which is asking the person to explain to the court why they shouldn't be held in contempt for failing to obey a court order, in this case, a payment order. Now, if it's just a series of payments they've missed, then it's a judgment like any other and can be enforced like any other judgment. In Illinois, any missed child support payment is an independent judgment that can be enforced like a judgment, and it accrues post-judgment interest all by itself. And you don't need a separate order for that. Every missed payment is automatically a judgment. So there are various methods used in every state to collect unpaid judgments. And it's way too much for me to explain in a short video here. There's an entire section of the Code of Civil Procedure and laws in each state related to collecting on judgments. So if it's a large number, it might make sense to hire an attorney who gets a percentage of the collected money if they recover the money for you. In Illinois, you can actually get a contingent fee for collecting unpaid child support and unpaid alimony. You normally can't do a contingent fee for other parts of divorce, but for unpaid support, you can. There's an attorney named Don Ray in Rockford who's a good guy who does that work. He collects unpaid child support in certain jurisdictions, and he's only paid if he recovers money for you, and he just takes a percentage of what he's able to recover. So that might be a good job for an attorney to pursue for you, but there are various methods used to collect from people who won't pay. There are wage garnishments. There are, if the person, normally you get, when you have a child support order, that order is sent to the employer so that they're garnishing their wages to pay you. So wage garnishment's a possibility. Garnishing their bank accounts is a possibility if you know where those are. You can actually have assets turned over using what's known as in Illinois a turnover order, where you show, they have to tell the court in a citation to discover assets, that's what it's called. You serve them with a citation. They have to tell the court what their assets are and report under oath what the assets are. And then you might be able to get a turnover order to require them to turn over money or turn over an asset like an extra vehicle that you can then take or sell to help satisfy the judgment. So there's a whole lot of tools. There are a whole lot of tools you can use to collect on unpaid judgments. Part of it is I don't know the procedural stance of this. If they're just not paying and you're still in the pendency of a divorce case, you can use a petition for rule to show cause. If they haven't paid post-decree, you can use a petition for rule to show cause. But if you already have a judgment, it might be just one of the collection methods that you'll use, like the citations and the garnishments that I talked about. Thanks for the question. Please keep those questions coming. Have a great day.